Skateboarders in San Diego's City Heights community have sought for 3 years to get a park built where they can practice their sport. The effort was part of a larger discussion about the city's unequal access to parks and infrastructure. This summer, the city said it will spend nearly $2 million in state grant money to build a skate park near Cherokee Point Elementary School across from Park de la Cruz. Now, a new study shows skateboarding is actually good for your health and overall well-being. Marnie Purcell-Hill is a senior research associate with Human Impact Partners. She joins me now by phone. Marnie, what are the health benefits of skateboarding?
Well, we found that skateboarding is beneficial for things like youth development. It was actually one of the big ones that was kind of different and interesting in what we found. And also, of course, physical activity, injuries, and we also looked at safety from crime. And skate parks are beneficial for youth development. They help with things like self-esteem, motivation, leadership development, a sense of social belonging. We found that more youth would have access to a park and this opportunity for physical activity, and may actually be won over to the sport because they see this skate park built there. So it would have benefits for physical activity. We also found that injuries that skateboarding is actually about the same as soccer and actually safer than football and basketball. So it would be about, oh gosh, can I take a break? And we also found that the youth being in the space and keeping the space active and feeling a sense of protection and ownership of the space might actually keep the park safer from crime. So that's sort of the gist of what we found.
So tell me a little bit more about social connections. How big of a role does a skateboard park play in bringing a community's youth together?
Well, you know, one skateboarder, he kind of said it really well. He felt like his fellow skaters were like a second family. He said, we have each other's backs. If someone is out late, we pick each other up, or if someone has problems, we talk to him. So it's really, and he said that skating was something that he did that was something productive, and it was really fun to do with his friends. And so it's this sense of creates a community. Especially, it can be important for youth who don't really feel like they like the mainstream sports. And so it is this sense of opportunity for youth who may not feel like there's really as much of a place for them in some mainstream society.
Okay, and we're going to have to wrap it there. Marnie, thank you. I'm joined now by 17-year-old Leslie Renteria of City Heights. Leslie, as a member of the Youth Council, you were a big part of the effort to get the city to agree to build a skate park. What sparked the campaign?
About 4 years ago, we had an accident with one of our youth council members. His name was Marcos Olasquaga, and that interested us on creating a skate park so the skaters could actually have a safe place to skate. So that was one of the major interests which we had.
So, you know, skateboarding is primarily a male-dominated sport. Once the skateboard park is built, how much do you expect girls to pick up the sport as well?
Well, throughout the events that we had, like to advocate for the construction of the skate park, we were able to see how there are more girls getting interested in skateboarding. I actually feel that there's going to be more women, more young ladies participating in the skate park and attending it. So I think it's going to be another way of sparking the interest within the women and the girls in City Heights.
So, as I said before, you were a member of this youth council that really got this campaign moving forward. KPBS spoke to a city official earlier today, and we were told that the skate park was probably going to be built in about a year or two. That's a real success for this youth council. How does it feel?
It feels great to know that we've had this huge accomplishment. It was about to be 5 years since we've done this. We've had this campaign going on, and knowing that we've got the funding and that we've got support from city, we feel great to know that we're doing an impact in our community and benefiting the youth in City Heights. So,
okay, we're going to wrap it there. Leslie Renteria, thanks so much for coming on the program.
Thank you.